In this video, I'm going to show you how to set depth effect on iPhone lock screen wallpaper. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin and let's get started. First, you're gonna know that depth effect available on iOS 16 and above, and all you have to do to edit your lock screen is to hold down on your lock screen to open up edit mode, and now here hit on that plus sign. Now there you can upload your photo from your gallery or select some photo from suggested. I'll select that one for example, and now here I see that depth effect is already active here because as you see face overlap the time widget. Now here I can hit on these three dots and uncheck mark depth effect to see how it looks like without that effect. If effect for you disabled by default, all you have to do is hit on these three dots and enable that effect, and then you can hit done and set this wallpaper to lock screen. Now you see how it works. It looks pretty nice. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.